Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing the Earth is spinning twice as fast. Days are now only 12 hours long, sunsets happen before lunch, and the wind outside sounds like a jet engine. Sounds exciting? Well, hold on to your hat, literally. Right now, Earth takes 24 hours to spin once. That gentle rotation gives us day and night, weather patterns, and just enough gravity at the equator to keep us comfortably grounded. But if, overnight, our planet suddenly doubled its speed, finishing one rotation in just 12 hours, things would get wild. At the equator, Earth's surface is already moving at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour. Double that speed, and you'd be zooming around at over 2,000 miles per hour without even leaving the ground. The first thing you'd notice: shorter days. That means every sunrise, sunset, and mealtime happens twice as fast. You'd go to bed after what feels like just half a normal day, great for procrastinators, terrible for farmers. But the real chaos would come from wind. The atmosphere doesn't instantly spin faster with the Earth. That means as the ground speeds up, the air above it lags behind, creating hurricane-force winds all over the planet. Trees, buildings, and maybe even you would have a very bad day. Airports grounded. Cities torn apart. Umbrellas completely useless. Right now, Earth is already a little squished, fatter at the equator because of its spin. Spin it twice as fast, and that bulge gets bigger. The equator would rise several kilometers higher, while the poles flatten even more. Basically, Earth becomes a little more like a squishy stress ball. Oceans would respond too. Water would get pushed outward toward the equator, flooding coastal areas like Brazil, Indonesia, and Kenya. Meanwhile, water near the poles would recede, exposing new land. So congratulations, Antarctica just got beachfront property. The faster the Earth spins, the stronger the centrifugal force pushing outward. At the equator, you'd weigh less. Not by much, maybe around 10% lighter, but enough to make you feel slightly bouncier. If we kept increasing speed even more, eventually we could reach the point where gravity and spin cancel out. At that moment, everything at the equator would start floating off into space. We're not there yet with just double speed, but you definitely feel the tug. Within just a few days, the planet would become unrecognizable. Tidal waves crash along coastlines, superstorms shred cities, and power grids fail. The faster spin wouldn't just change our clocks, it would reshape the planet itself. In short, Earth would turn into a stormy, flooded, sleepless nightmare. We'd either need to move underground, or find another planet. So, if Earth ever did start spinning twice as fast, we'd get shorter days, lighter bodies, flooded coasts, and a world that feels like it's constantly on fast forward. The good news? That's not going to happen anytime soon, thank physics for that. Still, it's fun to imagine what our speedy little blue marble might look like if it suddenly hit the cosmic accelerator. So, what do you think would be the weirdest part of living on a twice as fast Earth? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and spin by next week for another What If.